Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to try this sum from the page number 61, and this is under CBSE Standard 7 syllabus from 3rd chapter. Find average of your sleeping hours during 1 week. Monday 8 hours, Tuesday 7 hours, Wednesday 9 hours, Thursday 9 hours, Friday 7 hours, Saturday 7 hours and Sunday 9 hours of sleep you are taking. These are the generalized data, and here I have counted time from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So when you are sleeping for this much time, you are covering 8 hours of your sleep. So rest all days it won't be same. Sometimes you are getting up early or sometimes you are sleeping late. So that is 7, or sometimes you are getting up early, so that is 9 hours. So these are the data. You can write your own data or you can observe your sleep pattern and you can write here data. When we have to find out the average. So average means total of all the data. So here we are writing total of all the observations and divided by total number of observations. Total of observation divided by total number of observation. So here we have to do total. So 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 9 plus 7 plus 7 plus 9 divided by total number of observation. So there are 7 days of the week, so divided by 7. Here the answer from this addition is 56. So 56 divided by 7, it will give us 8. Now what is this 8? You have to check for the unit over here, that whatever unit is mentioned for the data, the same unit you can mention it here, that 8 hours. So average of your sleep for 1 week is 8 hours. Our second numerical is find at least 5 numbers between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Now how to find out the numbers between? So when we are taking average of two numbers, we will get the number in between. Let us check with the simple numbers. So if I will write here 5 and if I will write here 7, these two are the numbers. I want to find out the numbers in between. How many numbers are in between? We know that there is only one number and that is 6. So how to find out that? When we will write the average, that 5 plus 7 divided by 2. We will add this two number and divided by 2 because we want to find out average of this two number. So here we will get 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. So this is the number which will lie in between 5 and 7. So here 5, here 6 and here 7. So this is lying in between these two numbers. So to find out this number, what we need to do? We will add this 2 and divided by 2. Why 2? Because there are two numbers and we are adding this. In general, we are finding out average. So that average will give us number in between. Here they have asked us 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So we will add this two number and then we will divide by 2. So that will give us one number which will lie in between these two numbers. So let us find out the same way. We will follow the same pattern and we'll find out 5 numbers in between these two numbers. So let us see that how to find out those 5 numbers. So here I am drawing this line. Here my 1 by 2 is there and here 1 by 3 is there. So I want to find out the number which is in between this. So what I will do? For the first option, I will add this two number, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 2. So I am finding out average and I will get this number first. So to add this two number, what I have to do? I have to make denominators equal. So the LCM of this two number will be 6. So here I am making denominators equal. So that will give me 3 plus 2 divided by 6. How did I get this? Here I am making denominator equal. So here I will get 1 into 3 divided by 2 into 3 because I want to make this 6. LCM is 6, so I want to make this denominator 6. So 1 into 3 divided by 2 into 3 plus 1 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 because I want 6 as a denominator. So whatever number I will multiply in denominator, the same number I will multiply at the numerator. So here I will get 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6. That is how I got this. Now, in division 2 is there. In division 2 is there. Now this 2 is in the denominator of this whole term. This 2 is in the denominator of this whole term. So we will get here 5 divided by 6 and in division 2 will be there. Now in this divisions 2, there will be 1 in its denominator. This is in numerator, this is in denominator. So this term will go to here in multiplication and we will take a reciprocal of that. So here we are going to get 5 divided by 6. In multiplication we will get 1 by 2. In multiplication we will get 1 by 2. So here we are going to get 5 divided by 12. We are going to get 5 divided by 12. Why? Because this 2 is going to be here and it is going to be multiplied with 6 because as per the rule of division of fraction. So this is something like this, that 5 divided by 6, it is in division with 2 divided by 1. So what we will do? We will change this to multiplication sign and we are taking here reciprocal of this. So this 2 is going to multiply with 6. It is something like this. Then we will get is 5 divided by 12. So this is average and this is going to be our first number, that is 5 divided by 12. So this 5 divided by 12 we can write here that this is our number which will come in the middle, that is this is our number which will come in the middle, that is 5 divided by 12. So this is our first number which will come in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, that is 5 divided by 12. Now we have to find out, this is the first number, we have to find out 4 more number. So now we can find out the number in between these two, 1 by 2 and 5 by 12. Similarly, we will find out one more number in between this number and this number. And similarly, we can find out the number between this two number and this two numbers. So many numbers you can find out. Here we have to find out only 5 numbers. So as per our wish, first we will find out the number between these two, then we will find out the number between these two. So whenever we are finding out any numbers in this line, from here till here, we are finding out any number in between this, that means we are finding out numbers between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So any number you can find out via average. And what is the way to find out average? This is the way to find out the average. Take those two numbers, add them and divide it by 2. Addition of those two numbers and divide it by 2. You have to solve it like this and you will get the number. It is very easy. So now let us first find out this number and then we will find out this number. Now we are finding out this number which is in between 1 by 2 and 5 by 12. So we have to find out the average of, this is our second number. So we have to find out the average of the number which is lying between 1 by 2 and 5 by 12. So these two numbers divided by 2. We are finding out numbers between these two. So these two numbers addition divided by 2. Now you can see here this is 2 and 12. So here LCM, what we will get will be 12. LCM we will get will be 12 for these two numbers. So we have to make this number's denominator 12. So which number we can multiply here to make it 12? 6 we need to multiply here. So top and bottom we will multiply with 6. So 1 into 6 divided by 2 into 6 plus 5 by 12. This is already 12, so we do not need to do anything. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. So now 6 plus 5 divided by 12. and in whole denominator 2 is there. So 2 will go here. How it will go here? I will just show you that this is going to give us 6 plus 5, it is 11. So 11 divided by 12 is there, in its denominator 2 is there. So I can write it like 11 divided by 12 in division. In division 2 is there. 2 is a whole number and I can write 1 in its denominator. So when we are solving this division, what we can do? 11 by 12 in multiplication. We are changing this division sign into multiplication and then we are taking the reciprocal of this fraction. So 1 by 2. So answer of this term is going to be 11 by 24. 11 by 24. So that is going to be answer for this, that 11 by 24. So it is going to be 11 by 24. So we got our second number, that is 11 by 24. Now let us find out our third number, and we have to find out average number between 5 by 12 and 1 by 3. So as a third number we are finding out this number and we have to find out the average of these two numbers. So 5 divided by 12 plus 1 by 3. So we are adding these two numbers and then we are dividing with 2. So here our LCM will be 12. LCM is going to be 12 and we are writing here 5 by 12 plus this denominator we have to convert it into 12. So we are going to multiply here 4. So similarly we have to multiply 4 in the numerator also. So 1 into 4 divided by 3 into 4. So we will get here 5 plus 4 divided by 12 and then we have to divide it by 2. We have to divide it this entire term by 2. Now how to solve this? 5 plus 4 will give us 9. So here it is 9 divided by 12 in division 2 is there. So that means it is 9 divided by 12 in division 2. So how to solve this? So 9 divided by 12, changing this sign to multiplication and this fraction, that is 2 divided by 1, this fractions we are taking reciprocal. So it is going to be 1 by 2. So answer is 9 by 24. Answer is here 9 by 24. This if you want you can reduce it further. You can reduce it further, that 8 into 3 is 24 and 3 into 3 is 24. So if you want to reduce this and you want to write, you can write the reduced form, otherwise this number is okay. So we will get here 9 divided by 24. This is the average number between these two. So that is 9 divided by 24. We are keeping as it is, we are not writing reduced form. So that is 9 divided by 24. This is our third number. First number we found out this, then in between these two number we found out this number. Then in between these two number we found out this number. Now two more numbers we have to find out, that you can find out in anywhere of this range. You can find out over here that in between these two, that you can take average of in between these two. You can find out number in between these two, or here or here. Anywhere in between this 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 possibilities to find out 2 more numbers. So first I am finding out the numbers in between these two and then I will finding out number between these two. So that will give me 5 total numbers. So my fourth number will be in between 1 by 2 and 11 by 24. So this plus 2 divided by 2. So here my LCM is going to be 24. My LCM is going to be 24. So I have make this number 24. So once we will multiply with 12, I will get here 24. So 12 divided by 24 plus 11 divided by 24 and divided by 2. So I will get here 12 plus 11. I will get here 3 and 2. So 23 divided by 24 and this 2 will multiply with 24. So here I will get 23 divided by 48. 23 divided by 48. So that number will lie here. That number will lie here. That is 23 divided by 48. This is my fourth number. That is the average between these two numbers. Let us find out the fifth number. Fifth number I am finding out in between these two. That 11 divided by 24 plus 5 divided by 12. And in their denominator 2 will be there. So let us solve this. So here I want to make this denominator 24 because LCM here will be 24. LCM here will be 24. So here I have to multiply with 2. So 11 plus 5 into 2 so that it will become 24. So 24 will be there in their denominator and 2 will be there in its denominator. So here 11 plus 10 we will get 21 divided by 24 into multiplication 1 divided by 2. So we will get here 21 divided by 48. We got here 21 divided by 48. So this number here is 21 divided by 48. So that is our fifth number. So in general, how many numbers we got in between 1 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 3 is 23 by 48, 11 by 24, 21 by 48, 5 by 12 and 9 by 24. So these are the 5 numbers in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So hope this video has solved your doubt. In coming videos we are going to cover some important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.